In this video, we will see about magnetic proximity switch, potentiometer and capacitive sensor. First, we will see about magnetic proximity switch. This shows the number of configurations of contact type proximity switch being used in manufacturing automation, and these are small electrical switches which require physical contact and a small opening force to close the contacts. They are basically employed on conveyor systems to detect the presence of an item on the conveyor belt. This magnetic based reed switches are used as proximity switches. When a magnet attached to an object brought close to the switch, the magnet reeds attract to each other and close the switch contacts. Photo-emitting devices such as LEDs and photosensitive devices such as photodiodes and phototransistors are used in combination to work as proximity sensing devices. This diagram represents the typical arrangements of LEDs and photodiodes to detect the objects, breaking the beam and reflecting light. Next, we will see about potentiometer. This is basically displacement sensors which are used for the measurement of movement of an object, and the position sensors determine the position of an object considering the reference point. And these are some of the examples of displacement sensors as potentiometer, strain gauges, capacitive element based sensor, linear variable differential transformer that is LVDT, optical encoders and pneumatic sensors. This picture represents the rotary type potentiometer sensor which measures linear displacement. In general, the potentiometer can be of linear or angular type. This works on the principle of conversion of mechanical displacement into an electrical signal. The sensor has a resistive element and a sliding contact, that is the wiper. The slider moves along this conductive body acting as a movable electric contact. The object of whose displacement is to be measured is connected to the slides by using a rotary shaft, a moving rod and a cable that is kept stretched during operation. The resistive element is a wire wound track or conductive plastic. The track comprises of large number of closely packed twins of a resistive wire. Conductive plastic is made up of plastic resin embedded with carbon powder. During the sensing operation, a voltage Vs is applied across the resistive element. A voltage divider circuit is formed when slider comes into contact with the wire. The output voltage is proportional to the displacement of the slider over the wire. Then the output parameter displacement is calibrated against the output voltage Va. That is Va which is equal to IRA. Here I can be written as I is equal to Vs by Ra plus Rb. So substituting I in Va, therefore Va is equal to VsRa by Ra plus Rb. We know that R is equal to rho L by A, and here rho is the electrical resistivity, L is the length of the resistor, A is the area of cross section. So as we know that R is equal to rho L by A, therefore Va can be written as Vs La by La plus Lb. These sensors are primarily used in control systems with a feedback loop to ensure that the moving member or component reaches its commanded position. And these are typically used on machine tool controls, elevators, liquid level assemblies, automobile throttle controls. In manufacturing, these are used in control of injection molding machines, woodworking machinery, printing, spraying, robotics, etc. Next, we will see about capacitive sensor, which is also a displacement sensor. Capacitive sensor is a non-contact type and it is used to measure linear displacements from few millimeters to 100 of millimeters. This shows the schematic of 3-plate capacitive element sensor and displacement measurement of a mechanical element connected to the plate 2. It comprises of 3 plates with the upper pair forming one capacitor and the lower pair another. The linear displacement may take in two forms. One is, one of the plates is moved by the displacement so that the plate separation changes. Another is area of overlap changes due to the displacement. The capacitance C of a parallel plate capacitor is given by C is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D, where epsilon r is the relative permittivity of the dielectric between the plates and epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. A is the area of overlap between two plates and D is the plate separation. As the central plate moves near to top plate or bottom one, due to the movement of the element of which displacement is to be measured, separation in between the plate changes, and this can be represented as C1, which is equal to epsilon or epsilon naught A by D plus X, and C2 is equal to epsilon or epsilon naught A by D minus X. Applications of capacitive sensor includes feed hopper level monitoring, small vessel pump control, grease level monitoring, level control of liquids, metrology applications to measure these shape errors in the path being produced, to analyze and optimize the rotation of spindles in various machine tools like surface grinders, lathes, milling machines, and in assembly line testing to test assembled parts for uniformity, thickness, or some other design features, and also to detect the presence or absence of a certain component. Thank you.